Connect to the power supply. Connect the water supply pipe and the drainage pipe. Turn on the machine. Set the inlay parameters. Set the embedding temperature, heating time, and cooling time. Select the cooling mode. Change the parameter combination. Download parameters. Click on the lowering mode. Open the top cover. Click on the rising mode. Remove the upper mode. Place the inlaid sample with the test surface facing down. Lowering mode. Add an appropriate amount of inlay material. Place the mold. Lowering mode. Close the top cover. Start inlaying. The sample has been successfully inlaid. Click on the lowering mode. Open the top cover. Upward mode. Take out the sample. One piece can accommodate 2 samples at a time. After the inlaying is completed, place it back into the mold.